Hello, I'm Leila from Radakat. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we can change the title of the chart dynamically. This can be really helpful when you have multiple slicer impacted on a chart, or you have a drill down and a drill up situation, and you want to follow out what field has been selected and actually how to track the fields. So as you can see here, one of my example is here. As you can see, I have a chart about sales amount by year. I have some slicer over here. Also, because it's a drill down and drill up, if I turn on the drill down button, if I click on the each bar, it's going to show the year of that. So for example, if I click on the 2008, the sales amount on 2008, I can see the information about quarter of 2008, but the title is really misleading. I couldn't see the title over here. So I'm using a DAX code to create that one. The function that can help me is selected value. So to that aim, I'm going to create a measure over here. And I call it, for example, title of the chart or title of the bar chart for this scenario. Call it title of the chart and now I'm going to select the value. So I use the function selected value, and in this function I want to first make sure which year has been selected. So I use that one, and if this year, if any year has been selected, so it shows that one. Otherwise it's mention or mention nothing or mention all years. And also what I'm going to do, I'm going to add another one. So I close the formula and I'm going to add another one that is about, for example, selected gender, selected value. And if a specific gender has been selected, I will select that one. Otherwise, I'll set for all gender, or you can put it kind of blank. So in this process, all of the things that is matter to me will be shown over there. Also, so for example, also I want to add a quarter here. So here I can add a sentence that is about an selected value. Okay, so in here, I just focus on selected the gender and the year and the quarter. So you can make it much more nicer. For example, you can provide some more complex one to don't show something or show, but I'm going to show you just a very simple one. So here, if I click on that, I'm going to change on the format of the visual under general. Instead of the in the title, the default is the fields that we choose. Here I'm going to actually use the conditional formatting. So and I'm searching for title of the chart and I put it over here. So if I make it bigger, so for example, I'm going down, and as you can see, it says is 2007 all quarter selected all gender. And if I select female, so now is, as you can see, it shows the in 2007 and all quarter selected gender. If I go down, it actually shows me that it's sales amount by 2007 and quarter 3. So it actually shows all of the changes that by selection happen here. So you can actually, mostly for the quarter selection, you can actually use that scenario. It's really good to show that which year and which actually kind of, if going to drill up and drill down, you're able to track which year has been selected. You can also apply it for the chart selection. If a specific chart apply on that, you can actually see that one and see that how it works. So as you can see, even if it's not like gender, if it's not over there, it's showing me on the upper level, so I can actually select that. Or even I use the other slicer, the combination, you can see still it shows that one. So it's really make it dynamic. Definitely there are more advanced approach to apply, but this can be a hint to mostly solve the problem of confusion that what's slicer applied to a title of the chart, and also mostly for the drill down and drill up situation we can use these techniques. Thanks so much for watching this video.